Hi guys, and welcome back to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. For today's video, I am gonna go ahead and be finishing this look, or my face, showing you guys in 3 parts how I apply my makeup, just so that the videos won't be that long. So let's go ahead and finish up. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I have my eyeshadow, have my face on, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush, highlight, contour, lipstick, eyebrows, I guess. Yeah, I'll do my eyebrows. I'll do my eyebrows on camera. I feel like eyebrows are a little bit iffy, but I'll do it for you guys. Let me just wipe this off of my lips. And the makeup wipes that I'm currently using are the Simple. I like those. Let me hide my mustache real quick. All right, so I have my foundation, concealer, my setting powder on. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with contour. I suck at contouring. Sometimes it looks like I rub dirt on my face, and then sometimes it actually looks pretty good. I'm very light-handed when it comes to it. Contour is something that I'm still learning. So if you don't know how to contour, don't feel bad. Just keep doing it. And my husband tells me when that stuff looks like dirt on my face. He's like, it looks like you. My mom even goes in on me. She's like, what happened to your face? One time my aunt told me the same thing, like, did someone hit you? No, I was trying to contour and apparently I failed. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and go in with my Lorac Pro contour palette. This was on contour and highlight palette. This was on sale for also 21 Days of Beauty for $20. I think it originally retails for $40. So I'm going to go ahead in here with the darkest shade in the middle that's called Deep Contour. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques sculpting brush. And it's just an angled brush. And I'm going to go in very lightly because like I just said, I can't contour and I don't want it to look like I rubbed dirt on my face, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try to contour, not try to look like I rubbed dirt on my face. I'm just tapping it in there. And then I make a funny face, guys. I just make funny faces when I do my makeup. I go like this. And I'll blend it out in a minute. Blend it more out in a minute. And then go ahead and do this side. I feel like I already messed up, but let me go ahead. I'll be right back. So I need a brush for blending. I'm using this Luxie 504 large angled brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend it out. I'm probably not even contouring anything. Let me know if you guys can contour. Let me know if you have a YouTube channel and you can contour. Leave your channel in the comment below so I can learn. Give me some pointers on how to contour. I did okay. I look less chunkier than I did earlier. Maybe it's just me. And I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips a little bit with my Shea Butter Vegan Lip Balm by Shea Moisture. I had just bought this. I really like this stuff. My camera is not focusing. Like, it's probably the lights. I like this stuff. It's like nice and thick. It kind of feels like a lip mask. It's like really moisturizing too. And all natural and vegan. So now that my lips are moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and put some blush on. And I'm going to go ahead and use my NARS. And it's the blush and bronzer duo. And it's in the color Orgasm and Laguna Bronzer. But I'm just going to use Orgasm right there. It's just a peachy golden blush. No focus today. No focus. But you guys saw the color. And I'm going to go ahead and take my Real Techniques stippling brush and just twirl it around in there. Get all that blush. And I'm going to smile and apply my blush to the apples of my cheeks. And I really like blushes that are like the peachy with the gold. I go in. You guys, like I'm going in right here. Let's do the other cheek. Go in on the other cheek. My contour looks less like dirt if I put blush on top. That one applied intenser, right? I like that blush. It's like one of my favorite blushes. Then now that I have blush applied, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush in 302. And this is supposed to be a blush brush, but I use it to pack on highlighter. And like I told you guys, I feel like I have to go in there. So that's what we're going to do. Let's get it all over the brush. And I'm going to go ahead and swipe this like... That's a highlighter. To like make it a little bit like less like you know, like it looks like I just took highlighter and just like I'm gonna blend it out a little so that it mixes better. But it's a beautiful highlighter, don't get me wrong. I think it's worth making it work. The little pop-ups that come up every time you like do something. I think it looks like more intense on camera. My husband likes it. Yeah, bro. And I kind of put it in like an L shape. Damn. Don't ever let anyone tell you that you're wearing too much highlighter, okay? Because you guys are about to watch me go in. So, have it on my cheeks, about to go in some more. And I'm going to put it down my nose. Like this. I don't know where I learned this from. I just know that I do it. Put it on my forehead. Because our life just needs to sparkle. Put it on my, whatever this is called, Q-Pix bow or something like that. Not just a little bit, not just a little bit, just go in there. And then we're going to put it on our chin. In case you have some hair, you can hide it. And now we look like a disco ball. But it's all good. I probably sparkle more than my brush. I've been on this... I feel like I need more here. I like it. I dig it. I like that. All right. I think that's enough. Now, before I do my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and spray the Luminous setting spray on. And I just, because I want like the makeup to kind of like blend together and start to look like skin. I don't want it to look like cake anymore. So I'm taking my, of course, my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, which I told you guys in earlier videos that I actually do like this stuff. It smells really good. Just don't like the price. So I need to find a dupe for it. But all right. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to attempt to do my eyebrows on camera since I didn't do my eyeliner. So I'm going to use my, I don't know what number brush it is. It came in a kit when I got my first eyebrow duo from Anastasia. But it is one of her brushes. It's a dual-ended brush that has the spoolie on one side and the brush on the other side. An angled brush on the other side. And then I am using the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. And I am in the color Ebony. And it just looks like that. And I actually go in the middle. I use like both colors. And I don't like getting my eyebrows done because I feel like they're going to take them off, and not to like be conceited or anything, but I like the shape of my eyebrows. I just like pluck the hairs and like shape them naturally. I feel like I have hair. But okay. So what I first do is I brush my eyebrow hairs down, and I'm going to lightly shape my eyebrow. I don't like the intense like overdrawn eyebrows. I don't like that. So I'm going to do it very softly. Kind of like I'm just like lining my eyebrows already how they are. I hope that you guys can see this. Gonna get some more, and
oh no, we're waiting on one person.
Okay, and then now that I got the top, I'm gonna go ahead and brush up. And I'm gonna do the same thing underneath. I'm gonna shape my eyebrow.
Yeah, the guy that I'm gonna bring in, he's gonna play straight. He's just
Get a little bit more.
He's more comfortable.
Okay, and then now I'm gonna comb my eyebrows in the direction I want them to face. And I messed up, I could see it. We'll clean that up. And now I'm just gonna like lightly fill them in. I need to fix my arch, whatever it's called. And then now I'm gonna comb it out. And let me go ahead and fix that right there because I don't like that. Like that. I'm fixing it, guys. I think I am, at least. Hopefully I don't make it worse. So all I did was to fix it was I used a makeup wipe, like pinched into a little corner, like lightly, and then I just got the color that I used for my brow bone, and I think it looks better. So let's go ahead and do my other brow. Same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it down. And again, I guess they say like your eyebrows are like sisters, so like they have to look somewhat alike, but mine's look like they're from different planets. Like one's from planet Earth, one's from like Mars or something. Because I feel like they never match. So again, gonna go ahead and copy the lining of my eyebrows.
Yeah, but they're not in the party. It's open.
You guys, my eyebrows used to never be on fleek. Sometimes I look at old pictures and I'm like, why didn't you shape your eyebrows, girl? What's going on? You were going through it. Done with that. Gonna shape up. I do feel like doing your eyebrows though does make a difference. I feel like it just shapes your face better or something. I don't know. I'm just talking smack, but I like how I just like how good eyebrows make your face look. I am glowing right now. I'm glowing. Okay. Enough with the glow. So shape the under. I always mess up on this part. Sometimes I make this part too wide, but sorry guys, I have to be in total silence sometimes. Look, this eyebrow came out a lot better than this one. Sisters, guys, not estranged cousins or something. Then we're filling it in. Oh, I forgot to comb it this way. That way. All right, and then we're filling in again. And bam, eyebrows on. Not the best. Again, I'm not a makeup artist. This is how I do my eyebrows, in case you wanted to know. It's how I apply highlighter. No chill, in case you wanted to know. And now I'm going to go ahead and put on my lippy. If my lips are still like, I like to moisturize before I put any kind of lippy on. because those matte lipsticks suck the life out of your lips, suck every bit of moisture it ever had. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off gently. And because I'm wearing a bold color, like sweater, I'm gonna go in with a nude lippy, and because I kind of feel like my eyes they're not so much, but still. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Kristen lip gloss, and I just recently got this on 21 Days of Beauty. When I bought these two things, it was like a free gift along with this mirror. And I actually like this lip gloss. It reminds me of the NYX Butter Glosses. Smells like cake too. Smells just like them. They smell like cake. So in case you're wondering if you're missing out, you're probably not if you have tried those. And it is very pigmented too, just like the Butter Glosses. And I really like this color.
I think it's his first time playing with the team. Hey, Happy, go back to LCM. There we go. Hurricane
nerd. And that is how I got this look, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed these videos. If you guys want more videos like this, then of course, don't forget to let me know. Let me know if you guys want me to try anything on camera. I would love to try things on for you guys. I won't give you a full review until I've tried the things a few times, just because I want to be honest with you guys and let you guys truly know how I feel about something before I talk about it and before I recommend that you go out and buy it. But yes, I have been trying these things out for about a week and a half now. So I feel like it's not like, I've been sporadically using it. No, I've been like using them every single day. So I do know how I feel about them. I really like them. Everything that I have mentioned in this video, I have been using like consistently. This has been like my go-to look for a few days now. Well, like a week and a half now. So I hope that you guys liked it. I hope that you guys put glitter all over your face. I hope that you guys glow to the moon and back. And of course, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and follow me on social media. I am not active on Twitter as much as I am on Instagram. So go ahead, follow, like. If you guys know how to do your contour, let me know so I can follow you, so I can learn how to contour. And again, thank you guys for watching.